Hi everybody, in this lecture we will be looking at the anatomy of the organs of hearing and equilibrium. So, the organs of hearing and equilibrium are the main structures found within the petrous portion of the temporal bones. The three main divisions of the ear are the external, the middle, and the internal portions. Starting with the external ear, this begins with the auricle or the pinna on each side of the head. The tragus is a small lip-like structure located anterior to the EAM that acts as a partial shield to the ear opening. The EAM, or external acoustic meatus, is the opening or canal of the external ear. It's approximately 1 inch long and is half bony and half cartilaginous. The mastoid process and tip of the temporal bones are posterior and inferior to the EAM. And then lastly, the meatus narrows as it meets the tympanic membrane or the eardrum. It's situated at an oblique angle, forming a depression or well at the lower medial end of the meatus. Moving on to the middle ear, it is irregularly shaped and it is an air-containing cavity. There are three main parts of the middle ear. We have the tympanic membrane, the three small bones, which are called auditory ossicles, and then we have the tympanic cavity. The eustachian tube is the passageway between the middle ear and the nasopharynx. It serves pretty much to equalize the pressure within the middle ear to the outside atmospheric pressure through the nasopharynx. The auditory ossicles, again, these are three small bones. They are articulated to permit vibratory motion. Those are the malleus, the incus, and the stapes. The internal ear contains the essential sensory apparatus of both hearing and equilibrium. It lies within the densest portion of the petrous pyramids and can be divided into two main parts. We have the osseous or bony labyrinth, which is then divided into three parts: the cochlea, the vestibule, and the semicircular canals. And then the second part would be the membranous labyrinths. This picture is just showing you the osseous labyrinth. Again, that was one of the parts of the internal ear. Again, that's divided into the three parts: the cochlea, the vestibule, and the semicircular canals.